Ucoach weBafana Bafana uHugo Bruce angahle ahambe nabahambayo mhla ka-30 kuJune emva komsangano asenzele wona izolo kwigame ebiphakathi kweBafana Bafana neMexico. Kanti abokufika abangenawo amaphepha okuba kuleli sebeqalile balayisha amasaka nabo balibangise eLimpopo okuyiprovince kaJulius Malema kanye noCyril Ramaphosa.
SA News with TK Zuma.
Sinibingelele sinamukele endabeni ze-SA News with TK Zuma sanibingelele. Ucoach weBafana Bafana uHugo Bruce angahle ahambe nabahambayo mhla ka-30 kuJune emva komsangano asenzele wona izolo kwigame ebiphakathi kweBafana Bafana kanye neMexico. Le game yayizolo ngeke lo yamlungu uthi uthina abafowethu ngeke 5 defenders ngitshele nje, tell me if that makes sense. 5 defenders, 3 defensive midfielders, no right wingers. Unama back wingers kuphela uOprimo Tau noKholiso Modiba, uOprimo Modiba noKholiso Modiba kuphela. Ombokazi baya overlapper oJobe badala ama red card angenasidingo lapha phambili. Hawu ngeke. We've been defending. What's the use of being so defensive if singeke sisidlala ibhola? We didn't play football izolo. We were defending from beginning to the end of the game. Beske ugoalkeeper wabo nje ubepholile, ubese hotel. Even after ilokhuzana half time, sithi mhlambe uzokwenza ushintsho, uyaqhubeka uyadefend akashintshe ulutho lomlungu lona. Hawu ngeke akahambe manje ngeke. Oh, xolise. Nansi lempungusha.
What influenced the decision to play with, Sibisi, Okon, Mbokazi, and then of course the two wing backs, which is Sailor as well as Modiba at the back?
I think when you show the game, you will know why I did that. Because again, except the first 15 minutes where the pressure of Mexico was high, after that there was a balance in the game. Again, Mexico became desperate. They didn't know what to do with the ball. The two central defenders were just waiting with their feet or with the foot on the ball, so they didn't see the solution.
Abokufika abakuleli ngokungemvume sebeqalile balayisha amasaka nabo balibangise eLimpopo okuyiprovince kaJulius Malema kanye noCyril Ramaphosa. Lokhu kwenzeke emva kokusabalala kwenqwaba yamavidiyo aveza abokufika bethutheleka eLimpopo, abanye bayabamukela, abanye ababamukele. Mina ngifuna ukuthi bangabamukeli. Abaholi babo abaqhamuka kwiprovince yabo uLokhuzana uMalema kanye noRamaphosa bathi abangahamba ngithi abahambeke baye eLimpopo ngoba neLimpopo isiqalile nakukhuluma ukuthi thina ngeke sizwe Mazulu uncircumcised nation, thina ngesizwe ngabo, thina labantu bayasondla, labantu bayasiqasha banamabhizinisi abahambeke baye eLimpopo. Kothi makushaya umhla ka-30 bese siyabona ukuthi bayasuka yini eLimpopo sebeyema kubo noma kanjani. Kodwa phela mabemukelekile eLimpopo ayikho inkinga. Abahambe nje baye eLimpopo so that they will know ukuthi ivakala njani ikiwe. Khona bezokwazi. Abahambe baye eLimpopo ngoba sixolise. Kanti udaba.
Re mishe madudu ba bota sukru bontsho gore re fihlele rena ba independent forum. Re tlile go makala batho ba batletse mo ga ba rena gore na ba jo ba le kae gona king ba itla mo la e bona number plate ora se moko shiba re ba goditse ba gala di ba le ba gekola ba gore na ba tswa ba le kae mepete ditool dipakete a lokile go loka mo ba tswang gona na ba tlo re botse rena le kae go makega wa ba nna le jo le kae
Espiritu le ya kae wena ufanele usalingo buye kutohlala la
why le tohlala mo lesabana enel sprite
mina ngitsingisela
le sebentela la while sa hlalo gona kwa town
le sebenela kuphi la
le rekshang kwa town
unemsebenzi la
hawu bana abe mo a re sa nyaka ba gala e ka sa re se bua go sohlala la.
Kunomama waseZimbabwe ongenawo amaphepha okuba kuleli osanganayo othi amaZulu azi ukuntshontsha nje kuphela. Yena uyasebenza uXova Magwinya ngeke akahambe ayoxova Magwinya eZimbabwe, asinankinga. Uthi uXova udaka yena akahambe yoxova udaka eZimbabwe. Thina sinankinga nokuthi labantu bakhuthele. Angithi ba lazy, let us be lazy ezweni lethu. Bona angithi bakhuthele bona umuntu akahambe yokhuthala kubo. Is it too much to ask? Naye akazwakali nokuthi uthini akabakhetha amaZulu abanjantshontsha nakhe hamba ke nakakahamba kayontshontshana ezweni lakubo afika yobabhili
amaZulu athanda kunjonja kuphela nje akafuna useza udaka isithina malabi tiyaseza udaka tiyazama tiyenza amagwinya tiyathenga ini amakinathi tiyenza ukuthi zame ukuthi kusasa zakhaze right.
Ake mbukeli asizibambe lapho-ke zamanje uphinde uhlangabeze futhi kwezilandelayo ungakhohlwa ukuthi you can advertise and promote your business with us with SA News by dialing the number ekwi-bio. Izindaba ze-SA News zicheme udede futhi zithatha uhlangothi.